Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professionals. Early career professionals means freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. Every Friday, we will upload private multinational company jobs for mechanical engineers. In this video, we are included 6 private multinational company jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video fully. In this first one, Bureau Happold, Mumbai. Graduate Mechanical Engineer at Bureau Happold, Mumbai. Bureau Happold, previously Bureau Happold Engineering, is a British professional services firm that provides engineering consultancy, design, planning, project management, and consulting services for buildings, infrastructure, and the environment. Originally working mainly on projects in the Middle East, the firm now operates worldwide and in almost all areas of engineering for the built environment, working in 24 locations around the world. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Job location is in Mumbai. Job description: Bureau Hall India is looking to build up its future talent pool of engineers with a batch of hire of smart young graduate mechanical engineers for our office in Mumbai. Responsibilities and accountabilities: undertake detailed engineering design, plan and help manage CAD documentation of design work closely with and monitor performance of technicians as appropriate, under guidance of senior staff, represent Bureau Happold at meetings with the client, other professionals and suppliers, responsible for planning, organization and managing proposal workload in order to meet deadlines in the line with managers' requirements, proactively raising concerns regarding workload and ability to meet deadlines, etc. Required skill: typically 0 to 1 year of experience of mechanical design engineering, ability to accept a degree of responsibility in a team-based organization combined with the ability to work independently, Microsoft Office, especially Excel, experience using common analysis software including similar to CSC, Fast Track, TEDDS, Robot, etc., and willingness to quickly learn to use these analysis packages if required. Desirable skills: ideally, the candidates will also have some experience of working on a variety of challenging domestic and overseas projects, experience of AutoCAD, Revit, CSC, Fast Track, TEDDS, Robot, ETABS, and SAFE preferred, although not essential. Role is graduate mechanical engineer. Industry type is engineering consultancy design. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 25th June 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Baker Hughes, Pune. Mechanical engineer at Baker Hughes Company, Pune. Baker Hughes Company is an American international industrial service company and one of the world's largest oil field service company. The company provides the oil and gas industry with the products and services for oil drilling, formation, evaluation, completion, production, and reservoir consultancy. The company was originally known as Baker Hughes Incorporated until 2017 when it was merged with GE Oil and Gas to become Baker Hughes, a GE company, BHGE. Then in 2019, the company divested from General Electric and became Baker Hughes Company. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Job IDs are 25004. Responsibility and key deliverables. Responsible for activities contributing to the design and development of products, solutions, and systems, includes actively linked to technical improvement of existing products and components, position requiring understanding of concept, methods, and procedures, creating definition of parts, modules, and assemblies in 2D and 3D models, tolerance, stack-ups, and various electronic data formats to supply design, analysis, manufacturing, and assembly, executing routine analysis using Western methods and technologies, and contributes to technological developments in teams under supervision, etc. General requirement: have hands-on experience on any 3D CAD tools, preferably SolidWorks. Have hands-on experience on ANSYS structural analysis would be an added advantage. Have exposure to GD&T, tolerance, stake-up analysis, design of pressure components and additive manufacturing, etc. Role is mechanical engineer. Function area is industrial service company. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. If you are a master's in mechanical engineering, you can also apply for the job as shown on screen. I will provide these job links in my description also. Next is Webtech Corporation. Assistant Engineer Manufacturing at Webtech Corporation, Tamil Nadu. Webtech Corporation is an American company formed by the merger of Westinghouse Air Brake Company and Motive Power Industries Corporation in 1999. Wabtec manufactures products for locomotives, freight cars, and passenger transit vehicles and builds new locomotives up to 6,000 horsepower, that means 4 megawatt. The company merged with GE Transportation on February 25, 2019. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Qualification is diploma or BE or BTech in mechanical, electrical or mechatronics. Job IDs are 0043404. Job responsibilities: make sure KPI targets are met on daily, weekly, monthly and report. Implement Kaizen on the shop floor. React in case of problem through QRQC. Drive improvement ideas generation and implementation, managing line speed and ensuring the shipped output simultaneously, responsible for over productivity. Key mission of the position: leading by example in terms of rigor and discipline. Plan the day before people, allocation for the next day, plan also on weekly basis. Training of operations incline with the requirements of SIOP MPS. Identifying the constraints in extracting the output and taking corrective measures. Ensure discipline and rigor, etc. Role is assistant engineer manufacturing. Industry type is automobile parts. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Becton and Dixon Company, BD Company. Trainee associate at Becton Dixon and Company, Haryana. Becton Dixon and Company, also known as BD, is an American multinational medical technology company that manufactures and sells medical devices, instrument systems and reagents. Founded in 1897 and headquartered in Franklin Lakes, New Jersey, BD employs nearly 70,000 people in more than 50 countries throughout the world. The company's customers include healthcare institutions, science research, clinical laboratories, the pharmaceutical industry and the general public. BD was one of the first companies to sell US-made glass syringes. It was also pioneer in the production of hypodermic needles. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Job IDs are 397079. Job description summary: to produce high quality products or components, ensuring adherence to standard operating procedure, safety guidelines and good manufacturing practices. Job description: operation of machine or product line to produce component or product as per quality norms, machine cleaning and maintenance as per SOP, preventing maintenance breakdown, troubleshooting and others, learning new things, contributing in team meeting and continuous improvement projects, material or product movement as per requirement and instruction from time to time, documentation as per applicable of SOP or logbook, etc. Role is trainee associate. Industry type is medicine industry. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Engineer methods development at Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing corporation headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It was established in 1945 as Muhammad and Mahindra and later named as Mahindra and Mahindra. It was one of the largest vehicle manufacturer by production in India and the largest manufacturer of tractors in the world. It was ranked 17th on the list of top companies in India by Fortune India 500 in 2018. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 3 year of experience. Responsibility and key deliverables. Ability to convert engineering problems into hand calculation, free body diagrams, generic equations. Ability to write code in MATLAB, Python or any programming language. Ability to do model based simulation using AMES, IM, GT Suite or Dymola Simscape for automotive systems using detailed components elements. Ability to debug applications for various use cases and input or output scenarios. Prepare documentation for technical and functional aspects for the application. Ability to improve the correctness of model based on understanding and analysis of test data. Ability to validate applications with 3D simulation results or physical test data, etc. General requirements: analytical skills, strong mathematical background, sound engineering fundamentals and principles, systematic problem solving, ability to try and learn new technologies, etc. Experience: graduate or postgraduate with 1 to 3 years of experience in mathematical modeling or physical based simulation or model based simulations, etc. Role is engineer, methods development. Function area is automobile. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Alstom, Hyderabad. Mechanical architectural engineer at Alstom, Hyderabad. Alstom SA is a French multinational rolling stock manufacturer operating worldwide in rail transport markets, active in the fields of passenger transportation, signaling and locomotives, etc. Alstom was founded in 1928 and it transports, develops and markets a complete range of systems, equipments and service in the railway industry. Alstom Transport operates in 70 countries and employs 26,000 people worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 3 year. Job ID is 130321. Purpose of the job: within his or her technical scope, the mechanical architect is responsible for the vehicle's own arrangement, definition and the mechanical interfaces management across the product family. Job description: ensuring that requirements resulting from functional architecture analysis and affecting vehicle mechanical architecture and implemented in the design. Defining vehicles arrangement, their related layouts and volumes allocations for the main subsystem. Leading mechanical concept definition within the aim of harmonizing architecture on product family. Managing variability of the design with a standardization and modular approach, leading to coverage on subsystem and mechanical interfaces design on vehicle, etc. Responsibilities and accountabilities: perform the vehicle concept definition in his or her functional and technical scope, ensure the execution of mechanical architecture according to product family roadmap, capture and understand the product family requirements and ensure consistent application, assure standardization and harmonization within product family, deliver activities at QCT targets, etc. Role is mechanical architectural engineer. Function area is rail and trains. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.